What's the meaning of battlements? Battlements. Battlements.
Battlements. Battlements. Battlements are a type of fortification found on the upper parts of castle walls or towers. They consist of alternating crenels, openings, and merlons, solid sections, creating a notched pattern along the top of the structure. The purpose of battlements was to provide protection for soldiers defending the castle. Soldiers could fire arrows or other weapons through the crenels while being protected by the merlons. Battlements were also used as a way for soldiers to move along the tops of walls and towers, providing a vantage point from which to survey the surrounding area. Today, battlements can be seen in historic buildings and castles around the world, adding to their architectural beauty and historical significance.